Did you know that over 40 million adults in the US experience anxiety each year? That's nearly 1 in 5 people, yet only 36% of them seek treatment. Anxiety doesn't just affect the mind, it impacts your body, making your heart race and your muscles tense. But here's the surprising part. You don't need to spend hours in therapy or take medication to start feeling better. In fact, just 10 minutes of meditation can help reduce anxiety by up to 40%. Sounds simple, right? In this video, we'll guide you through a powerful 10-minute meditation that will help you take control of your anxiety. You'll learn easy techniques, like breathwork and visualization, that can calm your mind in minutes. Ready to stop feeling overwhelmed and start feeling more in control? Let's dive in and unlock the calm within you. Chapter 1: The Anxiety Reset. Unlocking your calm in 10 minutes. When anxiety hits, it can feel like your mind is spiraling. The heart races and thoughts become overwhelming. But here's the good news: you don't need hours to regain control. A quick 10-minute meditation can be your reset button, restoring calm and clarity. Studies show that just a short break for mindfulness can lower cortisol, the stress hormone, by 30%. This simple practice helps interrupt your stress cycle and switch your brain's focus from panic to peace. By focusing on the present moment, you tell your brain, it's okay. We're safe. According to Dr. John Kabat-Zinn, a pioneer in mindfulness, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. This means that even in times of stress, you can learn to handle it with calm and clarity. Your brain has neuroplasticity, which means it can rewire itself to handle stress better over time. So, as you practice mindfulness, you're literally training your brain to react differently in stressful situations. In those 10 minutes, let go of judgments or expectations. Just breathe and allow yourself to reset. If your mind drifts to worries, gently bring it back to the breath. Remember, the goal is not to stop your thoughts but to make space for calm in the chaos. In fact, the research from Harvard shows that meditation can actually change the structure of the brain, making the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making and calm, stronger. With regular practice, these changes become permanent, making it easier to manage anxiety in everyday life. So, the next time stress takes over, use your 10-minute reset to reclaim your calm. Chapter 2: The Power of Pause. Reclaiming your inner peace. Often, we feel like we're constantly on the go. We're running from one task to another, barely taking time to breathe. But pausing is one of the most powerful ways to fight anxiety. When you pause for a short meditation, you reset your nervous system, moving from fight or flight to calm and collected. One of the best ways to pause is through mindful breathing. Studies from the University of California found that taking just 5 minutes to focus on your breath can reduce anxiety levels by up to 40%. Deep breaths send signals to your brain that everything is okay. This can lower your heart rate and ease physical tension. It's like hitting the refresh button for your mind. When you pause, you're giving your body a chance to relax. And relaxation isn't just about comfort, it's essential for overall health. Research from the Mayo Clinic shows that chronic stress leads to problems like high blood pressure and heart disease. But pausing and meditating can counteract these harmful effects. It's a simple yet effective strategy for reducing the long-term impact of anxiety. A study published in Psychosomatic Medicine even found that people who practiced mindfulness experienced less physical pain and anxiety than those who didn't. If you're feeling overwhelmed, take a pause. Focus on your breath, and allow your body to sink into the present moment. It's the most powerful tool you have against anxiety. Chapter 3: Breathwork for Balance. Inhale calm, exhale stress. Breathwork is more than just a relaxation technique, it's a direct line to your nervous system. When we're anxious, our breathing becomes shallow and rapid, which fuels the stress response. By changing how you breathe, you can reverse this cycle and tap into a state of calm. In fact, controlled breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digest. This is why slow, deep breaths can immediately lower anxiety. One of the most effective breathwork techniques is diaphragmatic breathing. Simply inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. This helps increase oxygen intake, reduce heart rate, and lower cortisol levels. Studies show that deep breathing can have a dramatic effect on your stress levels. For example, a study from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, found that diaphragmatic breathing can reduce anxiety by up to 50% in just a few weeks of consistent practice. Even the simple act of taking 10 deep breaths has been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce anxiety. It's a small action with big benefits. And here's a fun fact: the more you practice mindful breathing, the more your brain becomes wired for calm. Research from Stanford University found that deep breathing activates the prefrontal cortex, which helps you manage stress more effectively. So, by practicing breathwork, you're not only calming your body but also strengthening your ability to stay composed in stressful situations. Mindful breathing is an easy and quick way to reset during anxiety. It doesn't require any special tools, and you can do it anywhere. In fact, studies suggest that even 5 minutes of focused breathing can improve cognitive function and enhance emotional regulation. So, the next time you feel anxiety creeping in, take a deep breath, pause, and regain control. If you're enjoying this video and want more ways to fight anxiety, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a helpful tip. Chapter 4: Mental Detox. Clearing the cloud of worry. When anxiety strikes, it can feel like your mind is a cloud of worry, constantly swirling with fearful thoughts. But what if you could clear that cloud, even just for a few minutes? The good news is, you can. One of the most effective ways to calm your mind is through visualization, which helps shift your focus away from negative thoughts and into a peaceful mental space. Research from the University of California found that visualization techniques can significantly reduce anxiety, especially when combined with deep breathing. Imagine your anxiety as a cloud, dark, heavy, and full of stress. With each deep breath, visualize that cloud slowly dissolving, letting the sunlight shine through. The goal is to create mental space where peace can thrive. Visualization doesn't just help with stress, it also supports creativity and problem solving. A study from Psychology Today found that people who practiced guided imagery regularly experienced lower levels of anxiety and were better equipped to handle challenges. You can even take it a step further by imagining a safe, peaceful place. This might be a quiet beach, a calm forest, or a cozy room. When you picture yourself in this place, your body follows suit, relaxing as though you're physically there. The more vivid and sensory-rich the image, the more effective it is at lowering stress. If you're having trouble focusing, try combining visualization with your breathwork. Picture inhaling calm and exhaling tension as you dissolve your worries into the air. Visualization is a powerful tool, and it's backed by science. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, author of Becoming Supernatural, your mind and body are intimately connected, and what you think about can influence your physical reality. By visualizing peace and calm, you're not just creating a mental escape, you're also influencing your body's stress response. It's a simple yet potent technique that you can use anytime, anywhere to clear your mind and reset your emotions. Chapter 5: The 5-4-3-2-1 Grounding Method. Anchoring yourself in the now. When anxiety feels overwhelming, it's easy to get lost in your thoughts. One of the quickest ways to regain control is through grounding techniques. The 5-4-3-2-1 method is a simple yet powerful exercise that helps you reconnect with the present moment, especially when you're feeling anxious or disconnected. It works by engaging all 5 senses, which helps bring your attention back to your surroundings instead of your thoughts. Start by looking around and naming 5 things you can see. Maybe it's the light coming through the window, the colors on your clothes, or the objects around you. This simple act of observation pulls your mind back to reality. Next, focus on 4 things you can touch. Feel the texture of your clothes, the chair you're sitting in, or even the cool air on your skin. Then, listen for 3 things you can hear. This could be distant traffic, birds chirping, or even the hum of your computer. Next, identify 2 things you can smell. If you're in a quiet space, you may not smell much, but pay attention. Maybe it's the scent of coffee, the freshness of the air, or even the aroma of your own skin. Finally, notice 1 thing you can taste. It might be the lingering taste of a drink, your toothpaste, or simply the dryness in your mouth. This technique is designed to pull you out of anxiety by focusing your mind on the here and now. Research has shown that grounding exercises like this can significantly reduce anxiety and panic. A study published in Psychiatry Research found that individuals who practiced grounding techniques experienced a 40% decrease in anxiety symptoms after just a few weeks. The beauty of the 5-4-3-2-1 method is that it's portable and can be done in any environment, whether you're at work, at home, or even in a stressful social situation. The next time you feel anxious, try grounding yourself with this method. It's a simple, quick way to shift your mind from worry to presence. Chapter 6: Mindful Movement, Releasing Tension with Gentle Stretching. Anxiety doesn't just affect your mind, it also takes a toll on your body. When we're stressed, our muscles tense up, and we often carry that tension in our shoulders, neck, and back. But here's where mindful movement comes in. Gentle stretching and mindful body awareness can help release this physical tension and calm your nervous system. A study from the American Psychological Association found that combining mindfulness with physical movement can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. The simple act of moving mindfully, paying attention to each stretch, can help restore balance in both body and mind. Start with slow, deliberate movements. No need to push your body too hard. Focus on how each muscle feels as you stretch and breathe. As you stretch your arms overhead, inhale deeply, and as you gently fold forward, exhale. Notice how your body feels in each position. Mindful stretching isn't about achieving perfect poses but about tuning into your body's sensations. Research shows that practices like yoga, which combine mindful movement with deep breathing, can reduce anxiety and improve mental clarity. According to a study published in Journal of Psychiatric Practice, participants who practiced yoga for just 12 weeks reported a 50% reduction in anxiety symptoms. Stretching also helps release endorphins, the body's natural stress relievers. Endorphins have been shown to lower anxiety and improve mood. Even a 10-minute stretch session can provide immediate relief from stress and leave you feeling more grounded. Mindful movement doesn't need to be a full workout, just a few gentle stretches can work wonders. For example, a simple neck stretch can release the tension caused by anxiety. Slowly tilt your head to the right, hold for a few seconds, and then switch sides. You'll notice the difference in how your body feels almost immediately. So, the next time anxiety tightens its grip, take a moment to move with mindfulness. A few gentle stretches, coupled with deep, conscious breathing, can help you release tension and reset your mind. Mindful movement is a natural way to connect with your body and calm your mind, offering both immediate relief and long-term benefits. Enjoyed this video? Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on how to beat anxiety and live with peace.